So last thing before you turn in your presentation by midnight tonight is to add one slide to the very end. This slide was not included in the original project questions, but I'd like you to add one slide to the very end of your project about how your age group is affected by COVID-19. So the best option would be if you can actually find someone who's in your age group that you've been researching. So for example, if this group could interview someone who's between 20 and 40 and interview them and how they've been affected by COVID. Obviously, there are many different factors other than age that impact how someone's been affected by the current situation. But just thinking about age for the lens of this project, how is like a teenager being affected differently by what's currently going on than an elderly person versus a baby versus a pregnant mother versus someone who's in their 20s and 40s and at the height of their career. So for this last slide, do your best to interview someone or guess how your age group in particular would be affected by the current situation going on. And that'll be the last slide of your presentation. That's all.